Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. On this channel, we delve into the captivating world of art, exploring stunning showcases and providing step-by-step tutorials. In this video, we'll be featuring an extraordinary AI artwork created by an AI artist named AIGC Research Institute using Midjourney. And as a bonus, I'll be guiding you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a similar masterpiece using the right prompts. Let's first enjoy the amazing artwork. Do you find those artworks inspiring? Fortunately, the creator of these artworks also shared their prompt. Let's take a look at it now. This prompt is quite long and it has many parts. I want to highlight a few representative sections. Firstly, the creator described an embroidery dragon multiple times in the prompt. Embroidery. Embroidery is a centuries-old art form that involves decorating fabric with intricate needlework. In this artwork, the creator wanted to create a scene of an embroidery dragon. Embroidery dragons are a significant and traditional element in the design of Chinese imperial robes. Next, to better depict the girl's clothing, the creator emphasized that she is wearing hanfu. Hanfu is a traditional Chinese attire originating from the Han Dynasty, characterized by its flowing robes, wide sleeves, and elegant simplicity. It is deeply rooted in Chinese culture and history, representing a blend of aesthetic beauty and cultural identity. Next, we see the keyword C4D. C4D is an abbreviation for Cinema 4D. Cinema 4D is a powerful 3D modeling, animation, motion graphic, and rendering software developed by Maxon. We notice that the dragon in the picture has a very strong three-dimensional effect thanks to the C4D prompt. Finally, regarding surrealism. Surrealism is an artistic movement that seeks to release the creative potential of the unconscious mind by blending reality with fantastical elements. As you can see, when using it in Midjourney, the scene is usually unreal and dreamlike. Now it's demo time. First, open Midjourney. If you don't know how to use Midjourney, you can check out tutorials on YouTube or leave a comment below, and I will try to help you. After opening Midjourney, enter/imagine and paste our prompt. Please note that we are using the Niji 5 model here. Wait for 2 minutes. The image has now been generated. You can see that the overall tone is quite pink, quite soft. It is quite close to the original style. Just that the character is a bit too much in the Niji style. Next, we try using the Midjourney V6 model. Just change the last part to V6. The V6 model is more suitable for creating extremely realistic content. The character will be more realistic, but the relationship between the person and the dragon will be more realistic, more distant. Next, we try using an image prompt. Take one of the images generated by the Niji model as a prompt and pass it to the V6 model. Here we can specify the image weight. The larger the image weight, the closer the generated image is to the image prompt. Here my image weight is 1.8. You can try different image weights to see the effect. You can see the final effect. The dragon and the person are close to the Niji model, and the character is more realistic. Finally, we try using an original image as a prompt, generated with the V6 model. Set the image weight high enough and use the same prompt. You can also quickly generate images in the same style. It's important to remember that the journey to the final masterpiece often involves generating a multitude of images. The creator likely produced many versions to select the ones that truly captured their vision. This is a normal and essential part of the creative process when working with AI art tools like Midjourney. So, if your initial results aren't quite what you expected, don't be discouraged. Every attempt you make is a step forward in honing your skills and understanding of how to effectively communicate with the AI to produce the desired outcome. It's all about trial and error, experimenting with different prompts, and seeing how subtle changes can lead to dramatically different results. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and empowering. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more captivating art-related content. I will upload new content weekly. See you next time.